explaining the phrase, wrist drop. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, wrist drop. It's not a common everyday term, but understanding it will certainly enhance your English vocabulary. First, let's take a look at the two words in this phrase. 1. Wrist. It's that part of your body where you wear your watch. It connects your hand to your forearm. 2. Drop. A verb that means to let something fall or to lower. However, when these two words come together as wrist drop, it doesn't mean you are dropping your wrist. Instead, it has a specialized meaning. Wrist drop refers to a medical condition where a person cannot lift the back of their hand. In other words, the wrist can't extend upwards, and the hand tends to hang limp. It's usually caused by nerve damage or injury. If you imagine the wrist as a hinge, with wrist drop, the hinge is somewhat broken, making it difficult to lift the hand. Now that we understand its meaning, let's see how to use wrist drop in a sentence. After the accident, Jane had a wrist drop in her right hand. The doctor diagnosed him with wrist drop due to nerve damage. It's important to remember that wrist drop is a medical term. So, you might not use it in daily conversations unless discussing related topics. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what wrist drop means. Remember, English is full of phrases that may not mean exactly what they seem at first glance. Keep learning, and we'll catch up in our next video. Stay curious.